experiences by Professor S. Kumresan and Professor Sukumar Daniel. So, Sukumar sir, please share the journey of this book.
Of course, first of all, I'm very, as every other co-author of Professor Kumresan has shared, it's really a honor and privilege to be a co-author with Professor Kumresan. But I want to go just now, as I shared with the linear algebra experience. When you read Professor Kumresan's book, it was learner-centric. So the book is meant for a person who want to learn. And if you are really sincerely putting any effort, you are already a co-author. Okay, so it's not necessary that you are.
It got muted.
Oh,
Now, okay.
is it better? Some
Yeah.
call icon. So in that way, it is like every sincere learner from his book is more or less can feel he's a co-author with Professor Kumresan. He's writing for you and writing with you, and you are making you to write also. So that way, I'm honored and pride.
Very beautiful way
So the
of
book,
saying, Sukumar. Thank you. It's very beautiful. It's
and so where it has started. So more or less, as you know, with most of his books, the ideas and bits and pieces, everything has been already there in his mind for a long time back, maybe. But in terms of material and other things, during his teaching for long number of years, I think the material more or less already at least decades back. So it's like that he needs some time, and maybe it is waiting for me possibly to pitch in. So that way I would consider that is how it has started. And what are the prerequisite for the book? It would be nice if you have done some linear algebra, topology, and reanalysis, which if you have done from his own books, it will be even more easy. You know how the tone it is going to be and what mode it is going to teach you, and what mode you can actually interact. So all these things are all set up in the same line. And regarding how to read and what are the things to be kept in mind, read with a plain mind. So another point I would like to mention is the books are written mainly for the person who want to learn it for the first time. So you don't need to know anything about it. It will make you to learn, and you can go through with the book and try to feel that you are accumulating some knowledge, and you feel little confidence. So it boosts your confidence. Okay. Whereas if you already done, the little bit of unlearning has to be done to go through this. So you may have little difficulty. And in terms of further reading, of course, I believe that after functional analysis book, there are a lot of material that. Am I there in line?
yes, yes.
So for further reading, I believe that after this book on functional analysis, there is a lot of further material in terms of very specific to some connected to harmonic analysis, Banach space theory, and other material is also there already in these expository articles. I hope all of them will be looked into after somebody seriously go through this book. There will be a lot of revisit to this. And surely you can read any other book. And again, it looks at the book looks at various parts of functional analysis, not restricted to the typical thing, so that you can see how many parts of mathematics coming together, not restricting on one particular thing. And this making process and some story and incidents, it has already had some incidents and nice story. So I am waiting for the book to come out to have much more to share. And and there are so my experience with working together with professor, as I said that I already started working with him when I was reading in linear algebra book itself, and ever since I've been keep on working with him. Every time that you meet, discuss, there is some process is actually going on, but it's very difficult to match up with the speed. So that's the real thing. So it's really a blessing in I got an opportunity, and then though if at all what kind of contribution and how much I did, if you ask such kind of very strict inequalities and strict division, what I would feel is I feel like I'm in just a minute. So I am sharing my father's wealth. So I don't have any. Sorry.
Thank you, Sukumar. Yeah. I think I don't think I can improve upon what Sukumar said about this. Okay. But about the experience of working together, I think that was really great, in the sense that I thought Baba was very meticulous in proofreading, because I'm very careless proofreader. You can see in all my things I will write that. Okay, I don't proofread my notes or anything. Okay, and also I don't have a manuscript when I type. I just think and then type. Okay, usually if you teach, what people do is they will keep it as a book, write everything. After that only they start typing. That's not the way I do. It's exactly the same way I do in the class. I have some idea, I start doing it. So, and as he said, it's somewhat difficult for me to cope with my thinking speed in typing. So that creates a lot of typos and some certain inaccuracies, sometimes even misleading mathematical statements, perhaps. And he has been extremely meticulous. Okay, and another person who is equally did was Baba. Okay, that way I think it was a really learning process. In fact, I requested him he should be a proofreader for all my future books. Okay. Okay. The only thing is, of course, publication of the book will be delayed a bit. That's okay. Okay, it's good for the students, I think. Yeah, that way it has been really good with me. And we discussed a lot about what should go in, what should not go in, etc. And he always felt very free. Okay, there is nothing like as I said yesterday, he may respect me a lot, but he didn't want to hold me always in some kind of awe, and therefore what Professor Kumaresan said must be right, so we should not interfere, kind of thing. And of course my each of the co-authors had the same thing, but I think he he, he was much more forthcoming, which I liked very much. I think that will be yet another hallmark in my career, having that book. Yes. Thank you, Sukumar.
Welcome.
I'm really kind of happy to see this book coming out, because this is my personal thing. When I started working with Professor Kumaresan in 1997, that was the first thing I read as my PhD course. I mean, that time there was no PhD course as such, but this is the first thing he gave me to read. And that time itself, I think more or less it was almost like in a book format.
Yes.
Yeah, so I mean, I'm really kind of happy. I was waiting for this to come out. Of course, there are many other manuscripts which he has, like in differential geometry and other things, etc. But yeah, it's a long, I mean, wait. So thank you very much, and Sukumar, yeah, I mean, I really appreciate.
All right.
So how long, I mean, in how much year you waited?
If you want, I can tell you. I think Santanam can tell you. I think in 94 to whenever it's going to appear. At least, let us say 1.5 years ago, we took the project. So at least more than 25 years.
Yeah, that's true.
And it was actually due to some IIT Madras students. Because Professor Srinivasan and Professor Sukumar are from IIT Madras. They are seniors. They came for some kind of follow-up program of MTTS. Then they had been taught by a very good functional analyst, but they did not know how to work with various things. I mean, they knew the theorem, they have seen the proof, they had understood the proof. That's it. Okay, the kind of you should feel it. You remember yesterday I said each subject has its own ethos and spirit. You should become part of that. Then only you will enjoy. That is somewhat missing. For them, I created this. I started with about a compendium of about 100 exercises, but I put them with a thread for them. And later, when I gave the course, I expanded. That's the one which Professor Ajit Kumar mentioned. Yeah. So in some sense, some IIT Madras should take the credit for this. So through it, IIT Madras, some more other is involved with that. Yeah. Okay. Can we move on?
Okay.
Okay,
Yes,
Babu
sir.
sir and Santhanan sir, do you want to add something?
Yeah, as Professor Kumaresan said, when the follow-up program, the two students came, and after the program, after they went back, Professor Kumaresan was discussing with me what all he covered. At that time itself, he said it should come as a book. So because it will be.
Yeah.
So at that time itself, he said it should come as a book, but I said no, everything has to wait for the time.
Yeah,
And
25
now the
years.
right time. Yes.
In fact, the one which Ajit mentioned has been used by many people across the country at many institutes like TAFR Center and certain IITs and ICES. A lot of people had used it because they are all my friends or MTTS faculty. I had freely given them my thing, so they used it. It's a lucky that Sukumar turned up so that we brought it out. I'm very, very happy about that.
Happy to hear this journey of books